Hello and welcome to my channel. Hannah is a university student from the University Putra Malaysia, also known as UPM. She mentored Krishna in Standard 5 of primary school, which is similar to Year 5, to make a runlinc project in one day. Here is their story. Dr. Peng from the Stem Cell Foundation will join Krishna when he is telling his story.
Hi, my name is Hannah and with me.
Hi, I'm Krishna.
So Krishna is an 11 years old boy from our mentoring school, which is St. Anthony in Teluk Intan, Perak. Actually, Krishna has implemented IoT and AI in his project. So Krishna, can you show them?
My robot contains Internet of Things and artificial intelligence, and also live video streaming. So this is the running web page that I use to program this robot. I use these mind languages such as HTML and JavaScript loop. It took me only an hour to program this robot. Scroll down, and this is the
live streaming video.
So if I press forward,
Wow, that's amazing.
stop. So once I put my hand,
Injured person found. Informing rescue team.
it will say like that in the fire, which is it senses the victim. Alright. Thank you.
So actually, how easy running is? Can you tell them?
Actually, I use this web page. I don't know, but it's very hard, and it took me 20 pages to make. But this running web page took me only an hour to program this robot.
Alright, so an 11 years old boy can do, we believe everyone can do. Bye, thank you.
And also, I would like to share the turn on and off button only for 15 minutes. So that's how efficient the technology is, regardless of any age. Thank you. I think I would like to pass this to Krishna to tell even more.
I connected to Android in my mobile.
Yeah.
And
well, you want to describe the whole thing. How do you program the live video streaming with your camera? How many lines of code and things like that? Share that with all the friends here.
It took only like two codes, like 2 code lines to program the live video streaming using runlinc. I did all the programming in one day.
And how old were you when did you do it?
I was 11 years old when I did AI rescue robot.
Last year, yeah.
I went to a competition. Took place in a
UPM?
UKM.
Oh, UKM. That's another one. Sorry, UKM.
And I won a bronze medal. I won a bronze medal, which the judges. I told them about my robot, and I went to another competition, which is in Teluk Intan, Perak, Rotary Club. I explained about how to turn on and off the light before I created the AI rescue robot. And I'm planning to upgrade my robot with using runlinc with to connect all the new upgrade that I ordered from Professor Peng and Professor Miro. The things that and I went to UPM and met Hannah and then I and Hannah worked together and we made a video about my AI rescue robot. That's all, sir.
Krishna,
Thank
if
you very
can,
much, Krishna.
if you can, I think the exciting part of it is perhaps explain a little bit about your experience at University of Malaya, when you presented to 100 over professors on the National STEM Conference.
I went to which is on 14 and 15 August 2019, last year. I all 200 professors were in front of me, and I explained about how to turn on and off the lights. I told them that I can do the programming in 15 minutes.
With 2 lines of code?
Yeah, using runlinc.
Fantastic. And were you helped by the Australian High Commission manager?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So I just want I was yeah, but our student, former student from Australia, who is now a senior manager at the Australian High Commission in Malaysia, Adil Akbar, was able to somehow magically get Krishna onto the stage. It's not easy. This is almost like hijacking the stage, because it was unplanned. But the organizers found that a young person out of all the adults there was wanting to share his experience of IoT, STEM, and AI. So they let him go onto the stage. Without the help of Adil Akbar from the Australian High Commission, that would not have been possible. Everything was prearranged. We were just the dark horse in a way, but it really surprised the conference delegates. So I just want to show everybody here, it's not easy. It's not something that you want to do through the normal planning process. So that was unplanned, that was spontaneous, and almost 90% of our work are unplanned. And this is how in the last few months, this project has gone into 10 countries without any planning, just webinar, just speak and share experiences.
So if you want to learn more about Krishna, you can go and see his phone app. If you just enter runlinc.thinkific.com into your web browser, it will take you to a page similar to this where you have to sign in and head over to the course. Once you are there, click on the runlinc IoT free short courses and it will bring you to this page. If you click on runlinc online projects, it should open this tab. Then if you scroll down to project A4 and then the PDF, once it loads, and it will show you this PDF. If you scroll down, you will see the example app by Krishna here. Now if you click on it, it will take you to his app. Enter your email, press start and tilt your phone, and you should get an email on his story. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like the video, and if you're interested, share it with some friends. See ya.